Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. As always, don't forget to subscribe. The name is Tim as seen on the shirt. I'm going to give you an update on my E30. So let's go. So at the moment, you can see almost everything is set inside here. We have the first start. There's a video which I will play now. In that video, you could tell that the car was loud, sounding very straight piped. So we have some exhaust experts here who are doing the pipes just behind the camera. I'll put that in and I'll show you how the interior is looking now. I had somebody come to do the upholstery, but he didn't do such a good job. So we're going to redo it and then put the seats in, and hopefully we can drive the car very soon. So let me show you the exhaust. Come and do a bad job. So I came to sit in the shade in what they have here as a storeroom. Hopefully the fixing of the exhaust wouldn't take that long, so I'll be able to get the first start with the exhaust on, and the engine will be very cold, so it will be very loud. Not very loud, but not as, it will be loud still, but not as loud as seen in the clip before. More toned down and not raspy. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a very good tone, but hopefully they finish early and I can get that video and we move from there. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. You know the channel already. Don't forget to subscribe. Lying under the car now, trying to see what it's like under here. This is my first time actually being under the car, and underneath the car needs to be washed and it's coated with the anti-rust chemical. Yeah. They're still setting the exhaust, so when they're done, I don't think it will take that long, so when they're done, then we start the car. Guys, I may not have been able to record a lot of the processes that had to go into getting the exhaust done today and some other stuff, because I was helping them like put some of the stuff together. I may not have been doing as much as them, but I was helping them. So I have like really dirty palms right now. I'm going home to take a nice shower. So with that being said, I think I will end the video here. Today is a very chill day for me, staying at home, relaxing. It just rained, so I'm really gonna enjoy the weather. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe please, and like the video. It really helps with the whole YouTube algorithm. Please like the video. You did so well in the last video, so yeah, let's keep growing the channel. Let's go. So guys, take care.